It's September 10th. It's 1:30. And I say bear with me because I'm trying to get all my plugs in, So while I'm doing this, I'm trying to get, all the Twitter feeds out and stuff like that. But the name of this video is I like DraftKings, and we're going to talk about that in a minute here. Let me see. Copy link address. Okay, hold on. Let me put that down here. I like dkng. There it is. Let's talk about it. Do that. Hit the bullish. Going on Twitter. Let's hit QQQs. Let's hit the Qs. The SPY. All right. Go ahead and post that out. All right, it's done. Okay, so now we can get talking about what's up. Got the chat window up. All right, so here it is. It's 9:10, September 10th, Thursday, 1:30. First day of the NFL, right? Tonight. Yes, so perfect, title of the video. I like DraftKings. That's one of the reasons why. I know it sounds so simple, right? NFL starts today, but I like it. Anyway, so the Dow is up. Kind of reversal going on. I think the Dow doesn't know what it wants to do. The VIX is down. That's good. Russell up. That's good. So, that's what's going on. Oh, yeah. So, my little flow. And then I kind of like to look at the heat map and see what's going on. So now the stocks, I got out of a big Google position yesterday. Didn't like the way it's trading. Like the way it's trading today. Still kind of going nowhere, but I like it based on the rest of the market. As you see, there's red all over the place. So my stocks, these are mine. I like. They're up. They're green. So I'll take that. And a lot of the market is red. So hey, but the VIX is down. All right. So I did a lot of trimming, in my portfolio. So you can see I have just the 3 positions going on here, and I'm down $1,500. Wow. Yeah, most of that's Facebook, because Facebook's down 1437 right there. And then so DraftKings, I like it. Hold on, man, I gotta pick my nose. It's itching. God, that's the thing about live TV or YouTube videos or whatever. You can't have what do the news people do when they gotta? I think they switch away or switch to the other caster. They probably got a button like, get off of me. I got to pick my nose. Okay. Let me know if I got something hanging out my nose. Anyway, so I'm down 1,500. Most of that is Facebook, and y'all know why. I got a big position on Facebook. But it's up, right? Facebook's up. We just looked. It's up 63 cents, but, sometimes the options get priced out of whack. So, sometimes I could be down $1 and I'm up like 1,500 or something. So it goes both ways. And DraftKings, actually I was up like 3,000 today. We talk about that. And that was with Peloton. So I'm a little disappointed that stock moved 10% the other way. That's crazy. It's crazy. So let's pull up the chart, man. Maybe I should wait. I don't have it. Who do I got up in here? I hate to do the technicals kind of on it if I don't have anybody in here, but I could do it last. Let me see, what is this showing me? See what's going on. Yeah, it's saying I got a couple people in here. All right, you guys, man, you rock with me. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue the video. So Facebook, yeah. All right, so we up 55 cents. Why did I just pull up Facebook? Let's go to DraftKings, man. That's why you're here. We'll talk about that later. I'm all over the place. All right, so here we are. I like it. The fact that I talked about the NFL starts today. I like the fact that there's hardly going to be no one in the stands. All right. They're going to do, what are they going to do? Microsoft Teams to make fan noise or whatever and all of that. And, so we have a lot of people that's going to be home watching it. I think TV ratings is going to actually be through the roof. because it should look like a regular game, except for the crowd. Crowd is really huge in football, so I don't know how that's gonna sound. I know they're gonna pipe in noise, but then I think you can cheat. The home team could pipe in all kinds. They could really mess with the sliders on the volume. So I don't know about that. It should be some kind of steady crowd type stuff. Don't be making it really loud when the other team has the ball. I know that can happen, but they could do that when the other team is losing. It's just to have physical control and not the crowd doing it on its own. I think that's a way of cheating. So hopefully it's nothing like that. Right? That's what I'm thinking. I didn't see one of the NBA games. I know they kind of do the same thing, I think. So, but maybe it's in control. Anyway, let's look at the chart. So not a lot of data. Not a lot of data here. The thing is just getting started, which is a good thing, right? So I look at these wicks, and all I see, this is the weekly, okay? And tomorrow, this is this week's, which is a great week. Right? The whole, right, from open to close. If you bought this Tuesday morning, you're doing just fine. But because it's right here at the top. For the most part, these indicate selling. Every time it got up here, boom, they was knocking it back down. Boom, they was knocking it down. They was knocking it down. Also, like Tuesday, the market, was being destroyed, right? So it was Tuesday, then Wednesday was yesterday. Yeah, so it held up through all of that. It's damn near at an all-time high. The high is 44.79. We are $1 away from that. It's about $1.10 right now. I think we might hit a little resistance right here, just because it's a double top, but it happened so soon. So I don't know. Look at the volume coming in. Also, this candle is, I kind of got sidetracked. See all the selling right there with the wicks? We blew right through the selling. They not selling no more. All of a sudden, we're higher. We're higher than the selling. The only thing we got to worry about right now is that double top right there. And we're going to be $1 away from that, so it may sell off. After that, man, it's off to the races. And you know what? These stocks like to go straight up, or hopefully the straight up mania is gone, right? I think SoftBank was responsible for that word on the street, buying, what is it, $4 billion worth of options in the hot stocks. Something like that. So they kind of messed the market up a little bit. Maybe that does something like that. I think something funny like that was going on, because that straight upness was absolutely crazy. But yeah, we went through all the selling. I wish this volume was higher, but we got the rest of today and we got tomorrow, right, to see if we could just kind of blow the volume out and just kind of take off. So I'm liking DraftKings. They got 12 million accounts as of last month. It's just going to grow. There's only a few states doing it. I don't know exactly. Was it 10, 15 states or something like that? So you still got a lot of states to get on board. People, can't go to games. Las Vegas, all the casinos are damn near shut down. I won't say shut down, but pretty damn dead. They're dead. You know what I mean? So home is where it's at. This is like a home gamers type, like a what's that word? Like the DocuSigns and the Zooms. It's one of them. So like a COVID stock, right? Because you can't go out and you can't even go to the bars and have fun and gamble with your friends. You do it at home. So I think this stuff is gonna blow up, and it's early. All right, that's my opinion. It's early. So, and Michael Jordan's on there now. He's on the board. It's all good. This dude is a winner. Okay, he don't know how to lose. He's losing, so I think I like everything about it. So I went hard on it today, and I'm kind of sharing that with you. Rahip, I think I said that right. Rahip, 2009. Hi, he said you will follow me. It depends what you got, and you're on Twitch. I'm really on YouTube. I'm just streaming to Twitch. I don't really watch Twitch like that, so. You don't have to follow me, and then I guess I don't have to follow you. But I appreciate that you're here. Rahip, you got me twisted now. I kind of don't know what I'm getting. Anyway, look at DraftKings get ready to reach that high today. So anyway, if I zoom out, kind of see what's going on, this thing, it has plenty of room to go. This is kind of one big bull flag, and this thing could, yeah, I'm in it. I think I'm going to be in it for the long haul. Now, its buddy stock is Penn National Gaming, and this stock is having a hell of a day. I wish I would have got in this one too. I was debating. I've been trying to get in this from right around here, and the thing is just I can't. It's not letting me in. If you look at this chart, it's the weekly. You can't even see the decline. It kind of tells you, right? You can't see the bear market. Oh, is this the bear market, right? No, it's right here. You know, it goes to show you that they're not trying to sell this. This thing's got a long way to go. And I think DraftKings is its buddy, right? And we'll see some kind of appreciation just like this, right? So there's that. I wish we had more data so I could show you. KNG. I was like, what the hell is the ticker symbol? I wish we had more data, and I hope it doesn't go out of control. I would like a nice slow up. I don't want to go straight up, and then I got to think about closing my position. So that's what I like, man, and I don't like much. Okay, now Peloton. Let's talk about this. This stock was up. I was like up damn near 3,000 for the day. This stock already it reports today after earnings. Now, you know, I was like, oh, do I want to hold on to this during earnings? I was just debating it all week, you know, and trying to make a game plan. And I decided to stick with it. I was liking the strength going into it. But all of that went away today. It popped today, this morning, and it was as expected. I thought it was going to do exactly that. So because it's been trying to pop all day. So it went up to 98.61. I thought it was going to pop and just kind of go sideways all day into the earnings. But it didn't do that. It actually reached that high. I mean, and then when you measure it, it's down 9%. I'm like, what? Going into earnings? Does somebody know something? It's just got me recalculating my whole thing right now. But since it's down 9% now, I think I'm taking a loss on the position. You know, I bought these calls at 33.79. Right now they're trading at 31, right? I'm already down. So I'm just going to hold through it. I mean, that's why I bought the calls. I'll just hold through it. They're expecting this thing a 13.5 point move. All right. So that's the market maker move. That's what it could be. So tonight, it might go as high as 102, right? Or down to 79, 77. Yeah. So what I did was, all right, I'm going to hold on to those 4 calls. And you can see right here, I bought 2 more. I bought 2 more additional calls. And that was right here at the bottom. Because I'm thinking we're going to run up to somewhere 96. Look at that 5 minute. I'm thinking we're going to I think we are going to run into the earnings towards the end of the day. People want to get in for the possible pop, right? So I'm thinking we should at least go halfway up. So maybe even all the way up. So I bought some calls. I bought 2 calls today that expire actually tomorrow. But my plan is to sell them before the market close. So it's just a trade, right? I bought them somewhere around here. I think I don't know, $6.95, something like that. And hopefully, see, those calls are right here. I'm up $25. It did go as high as almost 200, but it's just not coming off the bottom. So I'm hoping I'm right. I don't think it's going to drop another 10% going into the numbers or another 5. I think we should probably hang out here, maybe find a floor, or maybe some FOMO is going to just kind of bring it a little higher. And so that's my plan with that. And I got an order to get out. It's a one cancel the other, meaning I'm going to get out on a market call right around 357. That's what I got it set for. Markets, get me out. And hopefully there's good liquidity. I don't like doing market calls, market orders. You know what I mean? But right around that time, the call should be going nuts. You know, so I should get a good fill. And then the other order, if it goes up to 1060, because I bought them at $6.95, so about $400 each. I want to get out. So whatever happens first, it's gonna let me out, and I'm hoping it's 1060. I don't even want to go to the end of the day, but I don't know, man. I just don't like the way it looks. I don't like the way it looks. You know, it's just not really wanting to bounce, but it is fighting the forces. You know, the Dow is down 143. The S&P is down. It's almost at the low of the day, too. It's down 0.48%, 16 points. NASDAQ's down 38 points. Yes, 38. Is that right? Yeah, 38 points, 0.34%. So it's fighting that, you know, and but damn, down 10%. I wish I would have known when I saw that morning pop. I was like, I gotta sell. But I was like, I thought earnings. Yeah, earnings is after the bell. It's not gonna go too far from that. You know, might even go higher. They might just run it. Look at Penn. Penn's up 12%. So 9% on the pop. That's like nothing. I mean, Penn's not even important. It's going up. What's up, Cash? So that's my dilemma. I'm really now I'm looking at the wrong stock. I don't know if you just got in here. I was talking about, I done talked about DraftKings already, how I like it. Oh, I got some positions on right here, by the way. I had that on for, I guess I said I opened a bigger position in the other portfolio, but I had these three all week. And today's up $400, $600 for the position. I'm just going to hold them. Yep. So they expire in 498 days. Anyway, so the Peloton, I'm hoping it runs into the number 2 hours and 15 minutes to go. So, and then I'm going to close those out, and then I'll go into earnings with these 4 calls. Now, if we analyze that, let's take out this position. Okay, this is what my position is going to look like. If you want to know, you'll see the number. I won't be on. Yeah, maybe a double bottom on today. So you see the number. Now, here's the plan. Here's my plan, right? I said I had to devise a plan. If it pops on earnings, I'm just going to nothing. I'm going to do nothing. I'm just going to keep it, you know, and just let it go with their leaps. All right, so let's say it pops that 13. What did I say? 102. I could type in right here, 102. I'll be up 2,800. Okay, so right now I'm down 540. So I'll be up 2,800 if it goes to 102. Now let's say it goes down that 13 points. So that'll be, let's say $77. 76. We'll close. Let's say it drops 76. Ooh, damn. I'm gonna be down 4,000. That's a lot. Yeah, I took that out. Let's see, 89, 90. Well, that's 14. It's really 77. 77. All right. Yeah, I'm going to be down for the most part. It's right here I'm looking at. I'm going to be down 4,000. So that's what I got risk. That's what I'm risking on the table. But the plan is, depending on how bad that number is, like if it's like, oh my God, we got to dump this thing as just garbage, I'll probably just sell out and take the loss. But if it's like, they're doing good, but it just wasn't as expected, but you know, I'll probably just buy more. I'm going to buy maybe 4 more. I don't know. I'm going to probably buy more. So that's my plan. All right, so if it pops, do nothing. If it drops big, I'm going to take the $4,000 hit and probably buy more. All right, so yeah, so damn, let me see, 76. That's going to bring it way down to here. And let's bring up the weekly. Let's say 76. Yeah, that's going to bring it right to the top of support. It's funny how that number came out like that. For the most part, right there. That's an ugly line. And right now we're trading right here. Right, so in that area. right? It'll drop there, and I'll be down 4 grand. And so be right at support. So that'll be a good time to maybe buy some more. Look at the volume, man. Wow. Look at that weekly. Look at the volume. How it just triple. It's almost like somebody. It's weird. It's like, is it climaxing? Did it peak? Is that the top? I mean, it did come down 9% today. I'm thinking that's the drop, though. It might come out and do nothing. Want to just kill everybody's options. Look at this. Here's another thing. Look at the damn calls on it. This actually got me scared. Okay, 6,000, 1,000. Look at the volume. This is today, and these options expire tomorrow. Look at this one. 13,000 traded. 47, right? Everything's in the thousands. And over here, nothing. 800, 100, 76. So nobody believes the stock is going down. Matter of fact, look where the big numbers come in. But most likely these guys here, they're selling. They're selling these puts to try to collect the credit spread. Right? Because that's right at I'm guessing these guys are sellers, or these guys are real bearish and just straight up bought the puts. But crazy numbers here, man. So if you look at the actual put call ratios, 0.58. So 155,000 calls traded today versus 91,000 puts. Not too bad. Most of them, I think, are traded today. The option expires tomorrow. So generally, when we see that, what is that? Generally, when we see this, it's bearish. Okay. Know how I say I should listen to myself? It's making me, all right, if I listen to myself, I need to sell these. I need to just get out. But I had a thing that I just wanted to hold them. If I would have got out at today's pop, I would have been fine with that. But now I'm down now, so I'm like, fuck it. But anyway, it's generally bearish in my opinion. This is how I discover which way a stock is going to go. It likes to prove most people wrong, and proving to most people wrong, it needs to go down. And then all these people here will be wrong and be out of money, including me. Right? So, wow. That's a lot. That's a lot of volume. This is the next week's, the calls that expire next week. Look at that. Right? So if this thing pops, it's going to make a lot of people, I won't say rich, but it's going to pat a lot of pockets. And the market don't like to do that. Look at the next week's. Okay, so not too many people it's those first couple of weeks. 15 days. Yeah, they're not even here at all. But they're definitely in them calls, right? They're in them calls. Trying to find some big volume. See the whale. Anybody trying to, yeah. But, DocuSign's been like that. No, did DocuSign pop? Which one of those popped? Salesforce popped huge. I can't remember which one had the big pop. But whatever did, they had a lot of calls going on too. All right, so I opened them all up. You can see where I'm at. I'm right here with mine, okay? And that's the ones that, expire late. A couple of 8,000 on the volume. Yeah, so if I move this to open interest, I titled the video DraftKings. I finished. I'll talk about it again, man. Because this is happening today. I should have said something with the Peloton. Now I'm just looking at the open interest, trying to see if any huge numbers and I'm looking on the call side. Wow, look at this month for January. Wow, there's a lot of open interest in there. Wow, why are they in these options they're in these January options so heavy all over the place too. And this is interesting. Wow. Yeah, you can see the open interest in is low, but they just opened these positions today and So I don't know, man. We're going to see. Right now, it's not doing me good. My little quick trade is not working. I'm down $55. Um, Not really worried about the 700 because I'm either going to be down 2,000, 4,000, whatever it was, or up 3,000. So whatever. Oh, man. Yeah, it makes me want to get out, but I don't want to get out for a loss. I'm already down 7. Yeah. Anyway, so DraftKings, we could pull it up again for the people that missed it. And I was just saying, oh, yeah, I like it. I just started a bigger position today in the other account. Really like that bar. If this bar can maintain that what it looks like right now, tomorrow, because it closes tomorrow, that's a weekly bar. I mean, it's taken out all of these buyers. It's almost like an outside week, but not quite. And there was a lot of selling here. These last 3 weeks, every time this thing popped, they sold it off. Right? They sold it off. It popped up to here. Popped up to it was my high. Popped up to 38. They sold it off to 35. Here. Popped up to 40. They sold it off to 36. Here. Popped up to 41. They sold it off to 37. Here. Popped up to 44. But they didn't sell it off yet, right? So, but let's see what happens tomorrow. And if it can hold, I'm really liking that. And I think it can go a lot higher. So that's why I'm in it. What changed, right? What changed to make them not sell it off yet, right? And even when they sold it off, look at the weeks. Look how each week was even higher. It still was able to make new highs with all that selling, So an indecision, almost doji candles, right? So but yet nice recovery, right? So let's see what happens. The market is not helping today. I was positive. I put a Google trade on. I'm probably I'm afraid to look at it because I sold the put spread. I sold the 1,500, 1450, 1460, something like that. When it was up a little higher, about 1567, somewhere around there. And now this thing, it didn't reverse yet. And it's making me like it. It's weird because yesterday the market was hot and this thing sucked. Today the market sucks and this thing is, I won't say hot, but it's not down. So I have to reevaluate. That's what made me put the position on. I was like, wow, what the hell's going on? Google's just rocking. So it's only down because the market's down today. And trying to hold on. Looks like it's trying to, looking at this daily, looks like it wants to go lower, but I was happy with the price action today, so I just decided to put that trade on. I'm thinking this is going to hold, but it looks bear flaggish right there, so look at these indecisions. It's like they don't know what to do with this, okay? They're like, do I buy, sell, So, we'll see. Hopefully, could do something. Pull up Tesla. Tesla is up 11. I thought it was up a little bigger today. I don't know, man. I think we still need some more time. We need some more time on this bounce. I'm just looking at the big stocks. Amazon was up nice today, I think, and it's down. So what a reversal on that. It's down $12. It was 33.47. Now it's 32.56. It's lower than the gap. It's down 3% from the high. That's pretty big. You look at it and you say, oh, it's only down 0.42%. But from the high today, it's down 3%. Right? If it was down 3% from the open, you'd be like, oh man, tech stocks, But it's not. It's down 3% from the high. I mean, it's almost the same thing. So these numbers are, the sky's down 50.51, and it's just going lower. So I hope we're able to hold. I mean, yesterday's rally was pretty impressive. I thought it was going to actually be pretty good, but I said we need more time yesterday, and I got to say we definitely need more time today because we are not able to hold. Now, if it wasn't Friday, no, tomorrow's Friday. I don't know. Tomorrow's going to be interesting. I don't know if they want to go long during the weekend. You know, is this a correction of yesterday? Let me pull up, and then I'll go ahead and end this. Yesterday, let me pull up a little fib from the bottom of the day before to the top of today. This is on Amazon, so we'll do it on Amazon. And it's right at the 50 almost, so maybe we can get a bounce. It's not too bad. I mean, yesterday it was an impressive rally. I think this thing was up almost 200 points or something like that. So it's okay to give half of it back. It was up 209 points from the low, okay, from the low of Friday, the day before, from the close right about. And I'm going into well, here. Yesterday was up 147 from the high. Today from that low was up 200. So it's giving a little back, being down 100. Hopefully it bounces here, right here where it's at, maybe a little lower, and then we can take off. So I think right now it's at a critical point to kind of keep an eye on. All right, y'all. I usually like making these videos and you guys participate so we can kind of go on, and you could kind of pick my brain and mind, because for the most part, I just focus on what I got going on. And you see, I just got 3 things. I talked about them all: Facebook, DraftKings, Peloton. I'm not sure. Did I talk about Facebook in depth? I like the relative strength this thing has today, just like Google. I don't know why, but it's hanging in there. It's still green. And I probably got to get rid of all of these. Yeah, so we can see what's going on. There was something I liked in here. Yeah, I'm just liking these candles. I'm liking like the volume. It seems like there's buying going on, but the stock is not moving. So I like that. But it came down. We have a crossover on the moving averages, and we're just going sideways. So it's not really, it should bounce, but it's not. So I hate to say it because I'm in it. It looks like it wants to go lower. But I'm in it. I guess I'm in it, just keeping my fingers crossed. I do like the action today. I like the action. So that's the only thing I could hang my hat on. There's Facebook, right? If I pull up the Qs and kind of look what's going on there. See, we had a bounce at least, and Facebook didn't do shit. Right? But today it's hanging on there because the Qs is down 0.5. And, this is up 0.13, so I like it. So let's see what happens. Hopefully it can hang on. This 4-hour chart, well, I said you got the crossover on the moving averages. Oh, if I could back that up, right? Because that happened. No, that didn't happen today. That happened on the 9th, yesterday. Yeah. Ugh. It's still heading up, right? So let's back that out. Maybe it's a quick cross like right here, right? Kind of here, and then did come back through. So we'll see what happens, man. Keep an eye on that one. I thought about going longer, but I'm like, you know what? I'm long enough. I'm looking at a possible big loss today if Peloton don't come through. And not necessarily hoping I get the big pop in that when I get back to this stock. Damn, my trade ain't working. I just don't want it to go. Do we have to go to the maximums? Like if they're expecting 13, do we have to be up 13 or down 13? Can we just be down 3, 4, up 3, 4 even? Do we have to go to the extremes? And that's the kind of market that's everything is the extremes. So I'll be real happy if it could just move a little bit either way, so I'd rather move up, but either way, as long as it don't move down to 13, 14, but it is overbought to some, but I don't think it's about that. I mean, you have a stock like Carvana. Let me look. I haven't looked at this lately. I mean, look at this thing, right? And they not making money, right? But it's the future, I guess. Little negative signs on the earnings. They was expecting a loss of 85 cents a share, and it came in at a loss of 62. Let's rally the stock. So sometimes, it's not about that. It's about the future, what's going on. For some reason, I actually think, Peloton really trendy. Really trendy, hip, expensive. I love things that's expensive, like Starbucks, Apple, even though I don't trade, I need to. Peloton, LVMH, Tiffany, anything expensive like that. I love those because it's just like you're overpaying. They're getting all that money. But what was I gonna say? Gosh, I lost my thought. Expensive. Peloton. Oh, okay. It just seems like Apple should buy them. It'd go good with the phones, and it's trendy. I remember Microsoft bought Monster Cable back then. Remember back in Monster Cable's totally overpriced. You go to the Best Buy, try to buy a little cable, little HDMI cord, or even remember the digital coaxials for your digital CD player or whatever. $100 for a cord. Digital, if you don't know about digital, it's either on or off. Ones and zeros. That's what digital's all about. On or off. It's not like the old analog cables, like you needed thick speakers to catch that signal. It'll be a clearer signal with a fatter cable, but it's either on or off. That's why when you watch things that's digital, it gets blotchy, because you either got the signal or you don't. It was a total scam. It's not a scam, but total rip how they made you think your cables needed to be, especially when they went over to digital, these big old fat cables, and you need to spend $200. Now you can go to go to Best Buy right now, well, at least Amazon, and get a nice HDMI kit cord for like $7, maybe even two of them, but before, in the early 2000s, they were selling them things for $100 a piece, even more. So they bought them. Then they bought Beats, expensive headsets, right? So everything, it seems like that's up their alley, right? So let's go ahead and get that. And then, and they got all the hot, trendy stuff. So yeah, they should buy them. Can you imagine? I would like to see them buy them. And I was even thinking they should buy Tesla back then, but I guess they don't get into the car. I don't think they'll do that now, but earlier, I think like they should get with a car manufacturer like a Tesla, or I won't say a Toyota, but basically, why don't they own the dashboard of a car, right? You get in and it has a little Apple. It's not an Apple car, but it's an Apple dash. The electronics are Apple. Can you imagine? Like you get the Apple edition, right, of the car you're getting, and the whole dash is got the Apple, you got the Siri going, and all. Can you imagine how much more they can get for these cars? I don't know why they don't do that. Own the dashes. Remember, some cars. Well, a little comparison. Bose, right? They had the Bose systems, and you pay a little premium if your car had the Bose in it. But so I don't know why they don't own that. Get in that market. You don't have to own the car. You own the dash. All electronics up there. Since it's getting really gadgety, right? The cars are gadgety. But there's no technology in the cars. We was talking about the other day, you got the 4 wheels, shocks, pistons, and 4 cylinders, and fuel injectors. It's the same technology to keep you going. Only thing different is all the gadgets and stuff that make you crash because you're not even paying attention to the road. So therefore, throw that stuff in there. Anyway, that's enough for that. Where you guys at, man? I need you guys to participate so I can talk. Notice my views are down. Oh, yeah, that is not... I can't believe what's going on. I am shocked. And I'm only talking about this, like I said, because they report earnings today. Unbelievable. I had no idea. 10%. My trade might wind up sucking. How much am I down? Damn, down 115 on those. Wow. No pop at all. Come on now. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Nolan, like the stream, keep it up. Appreciate you. I'm on YouTube, by the way. I notice I get a lot of love from Twitch. A lot of love, but I want you guys to come check out my YouTube channel. And see, there I am live. And here it is. So I'm going to share this channel in the stream, because that's the real source. There it is. So yeah, check it out, man. I don't get a lot of views, and I don't know why. Look, 8 views, 9 views. And I was telling my girl, this is 8 views. This is a good video, just like you said, Nolan. Appreciate it. Well, shoot, one of them is my girlfriend. That don't count. So 7, 9, 7. And then look, I thought I was doing good. Shoot, 24, right? 21, 24. Why did it drop so? Then 392. You talk about some negativity. Stock market crash prediction. By the way, that was an excellent prediction. I said Tesla and Apple's going to lead us right down before it happened. Damn near. Matter of fact, it was that day. It was the next day it happened. 24, right? 13, 20, 54. I'm going back in time. 26. It's not letting me go no more. Right? So what happened? Let me click it here. Yeah. What happened the last 3 days? 8, 9, 7. What? Huh? Are you guys getting the notifications? What happened? 8, 9, 7, then 21, 24, 392, 24, 13, 20, 54, 26, 19, 23, 33, 23, 18, 22. Okay, 8. This is long. This is a year ago, so we won't even count those. 8, 8, 1. Anyway, what happened? 8, 9, 7 the last 3 days? It's like 1, 2. It's like 3 hours of content. I got 7, 16, 8, 24 views. 24 views, and really 21 because my girlfriend's in there. Well, thanks, Norman. I appreciate it. All right, so I'm gonna end this video. I like DraftKings. Hopefully that makes up for my shitty Peloton trade that's working out today, and I really like it. I really like it long. I think I almost DraftKings. I was like, I almost should sell my Peloton right now. And just go ahead and buy some more DraftKings. That's how I feel. Because Peloton is just, I don't know what the hell's going on with that. But that's the video. So I hope you guys, you'll tell me what y'all doing in the comments, what stocks you like. Do you think we had a market bottom? Do you think we still got more to correct, I should say? You think we reached the top and that's it? We're going straight down? What do you think? What's your favorite stocks? Or what do you like? What are you playing? What are you in? And what do you... if you were to buy more something, what would that be that you already have? And I meant to say it in the beginning of this video. If you can like it, share it. You see the love I need. I'm getting no love. So if you kind of listening to me, man, I need the love, because I'm still doing these things. It's like, huh? It's like, come on, man. I watch some weak ass channels, some weak channels, and these guys are getting 100, 200. I'm like, what? And the information even sucks, So whew, I don't know. I don't know what's bad. I'm getting no love on the YouTube. Anyway, UTZ, LU. I like LUV. I like that Southwest. Out of all the airlines, look at that thing. This thing is about to break out. The other ones don't look like that, right? We went through this yesterday. Here's AAL. Look, right? DAL. Is it Delta? Yeah, Delta and Love. Now SAVE is it's weak. United is weak. Yeah, so love that LUV. You're in the best one right there. Is Oots. Yeah, that one just IPO'd. It's early. I don't know about this one. Now the other chip companies, Pepsi, who bought Frito-Lay, and it's kind of built in, but Pepsi's chart is dope. And I remember ever since they bought that Frito-Lay, it's just been straight up, right? Probably was, I can't remember. But nice chart. I don't know, if you compare that to Coca-Cola, look at Coke, right? So kind of a little weak, especially now. So maybe it is the chips that's just rocking like that for Pepsi. AZUL. I'm not familiar with that, so I can't speak on it. But I see volume coming in. Stochastic's about to turn, so I don't know nothing about it. But it looks okay. It's not bouncing like the rest of the market, so it's, but not bad. Not bad. You say you're looking for Apple to drop a bit. I think Apple, that low we had. Oh yeah. You know what? Yeah, I think Apple actually. I was gonna say, because the action that we had the other day, I was like, wow, man, did we miss Apple? But no, I'm looking at this chart. We didn't. Let me get rid of all these lines. Sometimes I get a little crazy. Anyway, no, man, we might go down. Yeah, I think you're right about that. Why do I see 100 in its future? And you know what? If Apple goes down another, what's that, 10, 15%, it means the market's going to be going down like that. So I'm hoping it catches, hopefully it holds that low, even this low, right? Because maybe we can count that as a higher low. Maybe we count this as a low. I'm stretching here. This is a short time frame, right? Hopefully it could turn something here and maybe work up, But lots of selling. Look at that volume. So, and then look at the rebound. It's not even, the volume is down. Here was not bad. Here was good. There was good because it came down and there was no volume. Nobody really got in there to sell it. But that was, these are 4-hour charts. So I got to remember every 2 bars is like a day. Here, I don't like, and yeah, still, I don't know, man. It's a little early to tell. Pull up the day. Yeah, and that's an outside bar, so that's bearish. I had a feeling it was going to look like that. But hopefully, maybe we can get a turn. Maybe we can get a turn before the day is. Dow's down 189. Wow. Just one day relief. But we got 2 hours left, an hour and 45 minutes. This sell-off here that we kind of happened, there's no volume associated with it yet, all right? So we still got 2 hours left, so keep an eye on that. If it still going to be looking like that, it needs more. We need more to see this thing push down, so keep an eye on that. That's the only hope I'm seeing in this chart. Oh, man. Okay, you said UTS was a SPAC. Okay. I'm not really excited to see someone who looks like me doing stuff like this. I really hope we can get more of our culture. Isn't it weird? And by the way, so I'm guessing you African American. We don't get no love doing this stuff. And that 8, 7, 6 views, whatever I'm showing, I think a lot of it is because I'm black, which is fucked up. But it just is what it is. And, I do recognize it, But yeah, we need to, it's just fucked up, This just is what it is, It's how it's just a white kind of field, you know what I mean? Dominated. And personally, I feel, you see how I got my picture, you see that, I'm talking, I don't want to hear what you guys say. You know what I'm saying? It's like, because I'm black. It's just that simple, I hate to talk about it, but it is what it is. So I guess I gotta talk about it. I think that's why I don't get views. I was actually doing an experiment. I should actually do. I'm gonna let this be another video, and it's one of the reasons why I switched channels. I did an experiment, and I had my other videos look like this. Let me see. See, like this. These kind of thumbnails with me in the corner, kind of like I look now. It's just a straight up clip, right? So I did a couple of videos in a row without my face and without, it was just the screen, right? Like this. That's what I did my videos like. I took myself off and I talked and blah, 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 and doing a chart. And I had said I'm having technical difficulties with the webcam. And I was trying to see the fall off. See, this has to be another video. So I'll say it quick because I got to show you charts and stuff because I got facts now. You know, YouTube gives us the analytics, and you watch. As soon as you click on the video, people was clicking off my video. I was losing half the crowd in less than 5 seconds. I didn't even say anything. And I was losing half my audience. And I was noticing that as a trend. And I'm like, what the fuck? This is impossible. I didn't even say anything yet. You see the title of the video. You're actually interested, so you click on it. How do you click off of it if I didn't even say anything yet? So what does that tell you, right? And then the videos that I kind of hid myself, the fall off was slower. So, you know, it is what it is. I'm going to do a video on that, man. It needs to be a separate video, but it's like real talk right there. But it's fucked up, man. That, you know, we need to get it. We make money. I ain't making money today. Or yesterday I made money. I didn't make money Tuesday. I didn't make money. What was it? Wednesday? Yeah, yesterday was Wednesday. I didn't make no money Tuesday. I didn't make no money Friday. I didn't make no money Thursday. So, but anyway, generally I make money, and we can make money. We can make money, man. You don't have to be white to do this. That's for sure. And you know what? I can tell you one thing. That, and this is not to everybody. I'm generalizing people, okay? That the channels that I go, they all selling you shit. They don't show you numbers. They all some kind of professional, and you don't ever see their trades. And they might talk here and there, and they got this to sell you and this to sell you, and follow my plan and this course and this and this and this and this and this. I'm telling you right now, I'm not interested. My trading so far is pretty good, even though I have some spans where I be fucking up. But if I'm really all of that, I ain't selling shit. I'm just gonna concentrate on this. I'll make more money on this than actually sitting there devising a course, doing this and blah, blah, blah. Right? I ain't got time for that. I'll just sit here a couple of hours and make my money and be done. Right? So I don't, you know, come on, they even fake. You know what I'm saying? So it's just, you got me ranting up in here, you know. Just ranting. Come on, Peloton. I need you to get up to about 94 at least. Oh, man. But it is what it is. I lost my comments. Hold on. You said actually, yep. All right, so Nolaman. Yeah, check me out on YouTube. Subscribe. Hit the bell. I'll do a separate video on that. YouTube probably won't like it. I don't want it to be like a racial video. I am not prejudiced, man. My girlfriend's white. All right. So, yeah, I love everybody, but you know, it's just fucked up that that's just the way it is, man. We don't get any views in financial talking about stocks. And then, you know, most of us, people that look like me, that I see that I'm floating, they, Forex this, buy this, and it almost seems scamish, you know, like, hey, buy this Forex this, I'm going to teach you how to trade it, just give me $100 a month, blah, 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 Forex, and, you know, and so it's even on the other side to selling. Nobody just wants to help you out, right? Like, I'm telling you, I'm helping you out, learn from my mistakes, learn from my successes, you know. Everything's not all about, I got to get money. I'm getting money. I'm just sharing it. You know what I mean? But yeah, it just seems scammy. That Forex shit. You know, I could trade Forex right here. Forex. Start buying the Euro, US, hit that button. You know, I don't want to do no 10,000. 1 or 10, right? But these guys is showing you, I made this much. They don't show you how. They'll just show you. They won't show you them doing it. But they just got it, and they want you to do it, but pay them $100 a month. Then you could do it too. Oh my God. Anyway, it said, yeah, I started a late night stock show for free. I don't like people on YouTube and try to sell you. Yeah, exactly, man. Yo, then you did. You got to share it. Put your thing down there. Put your links so I can see what's up. Now, I'm not here. All right. I'm not saying later. Basically, later on, I might put something together. It'd be small. I'm not put it this way. I'm not ruling it out. I'm not ruling it out, but it won't be to, I don't know if it'll be to get rich. Or, I'll still be doing this. Let's put it that way, And it's just to help people. And then you got to get paid for your time. So more of a different aspect, not necessarily trying to make me this guru where I'm speaking in front of crowds. I'm not necessarily into that. So, I did photography. I was on here. Go back. The other Dre Trace channel used to be I'm like, come on, man. Damn, I keep looking at this. I might have to bail on this position. Down 220. Anyway, so I have like 300 photography videos. I didn't sell anything. I was just teaching you what I know, So, but I thought about putting something together, but I don't know. It's probably just more to make content or whatever. I don't know. I don't know why I would do it. I want to make some money, but I'm not trying to scam. Basically, you're on the other channels. It seems scamish, and they can't show you anything unless you buy it. So, see what I'm saying? Like, I'll have a course and I'll still be doing this. I'm going to buy this and blah, 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 or I bought this and blah, 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 blah. Here's how much money I'm making, losing. And, but yeah, I'm not hiding anything. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, you want to buy it? Whatever. I don't know if I'm even making sense. All right, so there's Noelmon. To my other 2 to 3 followers, you could check out his Twitch. He's on Twitch. I'm going to check that out, man. Ocean Air Trading. I'm going to check you out. And I don't usually be on Twitch like that, but I will to check you out. And I don't know if I can save these comments, so I'm gonna have to I'm gonna write that down. OCEANAIRIE. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Wish me luck on this Peloton, man. I'm tired of losing money. I really should get out. But this one trade, I'm not even worried about the 4 options. It's this one right here. Tried to play it for the pop into the end of the day, into the number. But no, it's fallen. It's just weird. But is it the market? Because the Dow's down 250. Yeah, the market's kind of getting crushed. VIX, look at the VIX rising. Advanced decline, just tanked. Went from basically the 0 line, which ain't all that great. And then boom, already down 500. Yeah, it's just... Google was up nicely today. Look at this thing. So my other that trade I put on earlier is not looking good. Wow, what the hell is going on? Amazon reportedly in talks for 20 billion stake in India's Reliance Retail. Let me see something here. Pull up the SPY, and then I can look at some. President Trump to hold news conference at 3 p.m. Uh-oh. What is he going to say? U.S. drops plan for 48-hour delay in reporting big swap trades. Okay. CDC reports coronavirus deaths for September 9th up 0.6%. I don't really see no big news going on. Let me pull up CNBC real quick, and then we'll go ahead and end this video. Yeah, no red bar saying leaders from America discuss CNB inclusion forum. Dow drops more than 100 points, followed Apple slides. Alan Greenspan lists inflation and the budget deficit as his biggest concern. It's weird because inflation, the Fed's trying to get inflation. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's just we just not. Oh, the Russell's still up. Wow, look at the Nasdaq, man. Here it is. Dow falls 250 points as selling and tech stock returns. Wow. All right, yo. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. You said you started streaming on Wednesday, so if you have any comments, that would be great. You bet. Just kind of be you. Just, I've been doing videos for a while. It was weird because I always did this, right? But I never told anybody and never even told my family. I always did this, right? This was my little, and I just decided I'm gonna put it out there, and I'm gonna be different, and I'm gonna put out my actual numbers. I'm gonna put out my count. Look at that, 3,000. so you can see that face. And I don't got unlimited money, y'all. So you go back Friday, I'm losing some serious money. So I really got, that's why my positions are down damn near to none. And I'm heavy on Facebook. I believe in it. It's leaps. Like the title of this video, DraftKings, got 3 there. And then Peloton, and I like it. So should have got out this morning though. Yeah, so oh yeah, so I was, I'm putting that out. I'm putting that stuff. Yeah, just basically, and I finally put it out. It was a little nervous, and then I just started being me, kind of just thinking. I want to kind of show you when I'm actually putting a trade, clicking the order, but it might be a boring video because I'd be going back. I won't be able to concentrate. But I kind of do it after the fact. But wow, look at this, man. Look at that. I'm looking at the minute chart right here. Just let me see the Qs. Yeah, just rolling over while I'm doing the video. Let me look at the NASDAQ ticks. Look at that. If I pull that up on the this side, anything below 1,000 is like bearish. But at the same time, a reversal comes in. You would want to buy futures right now, But yeah, just look at that. Here's the 0 line, and you can see most of the ticks has just been down here, and now we finally went down to below 1,000. All right, yo. Let's say good luck. I'll try to keep it. All right, man. I appreciate it. I'm out. Go see what the hell's going on. Yeah, wish me luck, and I'll talk to you guys later. And you know what? If this fucks up, if Peloton, I might buy more because I'm losing big money, y'all. All right, it's making a dent in my portfolio. Nice size dent. Damn near car wreck. All right, so I might just have to. There'll be nothing to talk about, man. I'll be like in Peloton, I don't know, man. I just got to reevaluate. So I'm not feeling good. Stocks don't, they're hard to pop in a bearish market. They're hard to pop, because it brings down everything, and then if it does pop, it wants to sell off immediately. Everybody wants to get their money back. Yeah, I think I was thinking that, like when it popped this morning, that maybe I think I was too confident inside that the tech selling was over, but no, it wasn't. That was actually a sign. And when I saw that happen to Peloton, I should have said, you know what, maybe I should buy some S&P puts or Q puts, because the market's probably going to roll over, because the so-called hot stock, they don't even want it going into earnings, so they probably don't want the rest of the stocks either. So that's what I should have been thinking. All right, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. This is Dre Trades. Let me know what y'all think of this video in the comments. I need that love, man. I need the love. And sub, you know what to do. Y'all watch YouTube. I see y'all. This